further deeper, all the way down, deeper and further, deeper you go, the better you feel, drifting, floating and dreaming. In these moments, you relax, you float, you drift, you dream, every tap, every rock, relaxing you 85,000 times. Deeper, further, deeper, and deeper, the better you feel, all the way down. All stress and tension, energy going out to the soles of your feet, into the core of the earth, far, far away from you. Miles and miles away, far, far from you. Your body is lighter, dynamic, relaxed, peaceful. Like a little child on a happy birthday or a wonderful holiday, you're feeling absolutely amazing. In these moments, you rely on yourself and rise up to be the mightiest hypnotist you can be. The triple tap is serious, like a resetting a switch, dial, thermostat, or computer, giving you the equivalent of 18, 23 years more experience, talent, and self-determination, and the ability to believe in yourself, beyond belief of faith, beyond faith of simply now knowing. In this place of knowing you now resides mightily and happily, easily and dynamically, into the very best moments and chapters of your life, unstoppably, unbeatably, rising up to be the mightiest hypnotist you can be. Your financial prosperity begins to rise up like a beautiful sunset in the morning, sunrise in the morning, or sunset at night, allowing yourself to believe in the truth, to know the truth. Beyond that, to know that truth and to live that truth. That your expanded consciousness about prosperity now acts like a magnet to bring into your life all things that you need, and like a magnet repel things that no longer need to be there. Rising above your taste, improve, incorporate, and change in ways that allow you to break through unbeatably and thrive, succeed, and break through in the very best of ways, thriving, succeeding in the very best ways for you to do, living, loving, laughing. Loving yourself and forgiving yourself will move into a mightier, better chapter of your life. As you sleep peacefully through the night into the best tomorrow, a brand new chapter of your life begins. Certainly you feel it tomorrow, knowing you're living it, loving it, and laughing your way through things that everyone stood in your way. Any old challenges in your life, any adversities in your life, now become less important. You now the mighty in your life. Reset, retune, recalibrate the masterpiece chapter of your life begin. All adversity or challenge, wherever it came from in your life, now dissolve, resolve, and gone away. Not because they say something, because it's in fact true. Every time you shake your head no, you're saying no to the past, smiling at the wisdom of the lessons you've learned, and re-experiencing a better life right now. Every time you nod your head yes, you say yes to your brightest and your best, reinforcing any and all these suggestions, as well as any mind adaptations that allow you to break through in the very best of ways. For your mind now, your friend, your mind now recalibrated to work on your side, your prosperity consciousness expands, you become dynamic and mighty, not because I say so, but because it's in fact true. Every time I show you my wrist pen on my 2020 watch, you get laughing a little bit, laugh, smile, happy, laughing more often, smiling more easily, or laughing already, 1, 2, 3, by the way. You want to great good friends whenever we see each other. How are you, pal? Look at the time. Could you see that? How about the 2020 pen? 2020 red pen. How are we doing? You can't even talk, man. It's just so much fun. This is the camera, just for fun. I'm going to put you out again. On my favorite snap, you're going to go right back to sleep, all the way down. 15, floating, dreaming, all the way down. Deeper, further, deeper. The deeper you go, the better you feel. I love this session we're doing. It's a lot of fun. Anybody can learn this, and I'm teaching it over the week. Just feeling absolutely wonderful in the very best of ways. You thrive, succeed, and break through. You've had a 9-hour nap and a 7-hour back and foot rub. Your back and feet and legs are all mushed down. You feel like you just got out of bed from a wonderful long sleep. Man, you're on top of the world. Your life is just doing great. Rising above, you shine right into shadow, turning everything into light. You experience a brighter day and a moonlit, beautiful, soothing night of stars. Every night, living your life, loving you. Yes, that's true. 1, 2, 3, 1. Wait.
Whoa, I like that look. That look is good on you.
You see this? I just got this a while back. You like that? That's pretty. What about this? Who's kind of the Bible? Wonderful. Isn't that a great, beautiful pen? What does it say on there? Can you read that?
Transmaster, world's fastest hypnotist.
You've seen that? So there you go. It's just something you might want to be experiencing. You are dynamic and mighty. Please give her a round of applause. Thunder is in the go. Okay.
That was fantastic.
Thank you.
Thanks.
The Transmaster is world-famous hypnotist John Sarbone.